So, big announcement today. I'm deciding to take the channel in a slightly different direction. Now, what that means exactly is that I'm going to be doing live videos every week. The reason that I decided to do live videos is because I've been trying to come up with a way to be helpful. I just want to help as many of you as I can. And here are my credentials. So I am a mechanical engineer. I have my degree from Cleveland State University. And I have about 20 years of working on cars under my belt. Over 100,000 hours, if I had to guess, of just learning mechanics, learning everything there is to learn about cars and anything mechanical, really. So, as I said, I've been trying to come up with a way to make myself useful, trying to provide value to you guys, and hopefully, in turn, I can be valuable enough for you guys to do some cool projects of my own. So, here's what the channel is going to be like from now on. Every single Monday, I will have a live video session, 8 to 12 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. most likely, where I am going to answer any mechanical automotive questions that you might have. If you think you're being ripped off by a shop, if you just need help diagnosing an issue, if you need help designing a system, if you need help with TIG welding, fabrication, I've done just about everything there is to do with cars, and I am pretty confident that I could help you as well. So, whatever it is, join me on my live sessions. Hit the comments in there. Let me know what you're working on, what kind of issues you're having, and I will do my best to try to help you out. This makes the most sense to me. The reason that I decided to do this is because I haven't seen it done, and I think that it's a pretty cool concept. So, the first live session is going to be this Monday. So, I don't know what day that is, like 27th or something, 28th of October. Let me see what day it's going to be. And what I think the way that I think that most likely these early sessions are going to go is I'm probably going to just sit here for 4 hours and, not have very many people join me. But that's okay. I'm just going to keep doing it until I just get more people to join. Like, I am here to help. I think that the knowledge that I have is honestly pretty impressive for a guy my age. So, like I said, I'm here to help, and I'll be here. And if nobody joins me, then I will most likely be telling some automotive stories, working on whatever it is that I'm working on. I'm still going to be doing YouTube videos that aren't live sessions, but those are going to be more sporadic and just kind of as I go. I'm going to just make the videos. And the reason that, again, this just seems like so much better of a choice for me is because planning a video every single week and editing it and going through that whole process, that actually takes up so much of my time, even though it's just like, it's been like 15-minute videos here recently. Those videos take me probably 18 to 24 hours to complete. And well, when you only have, I usually just get on here and work on these videos no earlier than like 11 p.m. to midnight is when I start shooting, start editing, start creating thumbnails, start everything is that late. So there's not much time to do anything else. So every time I have a open window during the day, I'm like, okay, I gotta go do this. And I think doing the live sessions will be much more personal, obviously, with whoever's in the in the session with me, so I can actually point at a person and go, I help them with whatever issues they're having with their car. Two, hopefully this won't take up as much time, and I'm still getting that weekly content out there every single week. But now it's much less planning, much less editing, much less everything else. It's just we're gonna probably kind of get a format established as we go, and then hopefully it'll be repeatable and won't take up too much extra time and whatnot, and that will free up all that time that I've been editing and doing whatever for me to actually build something, work on something, film that. And this starting off here, starting off in my basement, this is where we're going to start this thing. But if I need to work on something, like I love the concept of doing it live, actually, because it seems harder, but it's so much, honestly, easier, I think. Because now it's like, okay, if I need to work on something, if it's editing, I'm down here in the basement working on editing, working on whatever. Even if I'm just playing games, I'm in the basement, whatever. I usually don't play games though. But that doesn't restrict me to be in the basement. I can take my setup, move it to the garage, move it to a shop eventually, and I can work and take you guys along on the journey of actually working on something live, so that you guys can see that it's not, it's not like how it is in all the YouTube videos where it's like boom, 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 everything's done. There's a lot of random crap that goes wrong that you have to deal with. So that's the plan. Live videos every week, and then as many edited nice videos for you guys as I possibly can manage, and actually doing cool stuff. So that's the plan. And that's why I did this in one shot, one take, no edits. This is roughly, hopefully, well, I don't know about hopefully, but this is the format that you're going to be receiving in the future. The only difference is it's going to be actually live. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy the content, if you have any issues with your car that you need help with, if you have any issues with any sort of automotive planning, repairs, consultation, I don't know, anything you need automotive, join a live session, hit me up, and if I can't help you, I can't help you, but I can probably help a lot of people just with all the knowledge that I have. So again, thank you guys for watching. Comment any issues that you might have with your car currently. I think that's another thing that I'm going to try to do in these live sessions is if I have nobody there with me to, directly interact with, I would like to set up some sort of either Reddit page or whatever, some sort of submission form where you can send me questions, while you're away, while you're not in the live session. And then in the live session, if there's dead time, if there's time where I'm just sitting around, then I can go through and answer those questions for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See ya on Monday. Monday, 8 p.m. Be there or be square or whatever the hell you want to be. Thank you guys. Peace. Help somebody today.